Warm Pacific greetings and welcome to the COVID-19 weekly update for the New Zealand Pacific community. We're at Alert Level 3 now. Remember, not much changes in the move from Level 4 to Level 3. Thank you to our Pacific community around New Zealand for making the right decisions when it really counts. Our continued success or failures depend on us all. We're a team of 5 million, and so let's keep up the good work. Remember, stay local, and when you're out and about, keep 2 meters apart. You can extend your bubble by one household to reconnect with close family, bring in caregivers, or support isolated people. Don't extend your bubble if you don't need to. Keep it small and exclusive. It's not a time for visiting friends and family. Protect your bubble and keep everyone safe.
Kia ora e malo lele. I'm Dr. Hinamaha Lutui, a GP at South Point Family Doctors in Manukau. Okay, confession time. What treat was the highlight of going into Level 3 for your bubble last week? Was it KFC, McDonald's, fish and chips, or maybe that first proper takeaway coffee? For me, it was coffee and a donut. That's totally fine. It's important to take a moment and enjoy a treat or two along the way, as long as you remember they're treats. In this week's update, I wanted to take a moment to think of some of the great things many of you have achieved during this lockdown. We've gone 6 weeks without takeaways, 6 weeks without rushing, 6 weeks of healthy cooking at home, 6 weeks of time spent with those closest to us. I don't know about you, but I have never seen so many people walking or riding around the neighbourhood together. Families out spending time together, exercising or enjoying a walk in the sun. Most people I know are spending more time with their family and being more physically active, but are spending less money. The lockdown has been challenging for all of us, but it has also had some really great outcomes as well. As we move down the levels, we want to encourage you to think about some of the great things you've gained, some of the healthier habits you've built as a result. What can you do to keep some of these? Enjoy a treat or two, but keep them as treats. Be proud of what you have achieved and don't let those great habits disappear. And remember, talk to your doctor if you need to, and if you show any signs or symptoms, contact Healthline about getting tested for the virus. Otherwise, enjoy getting out and about a bit more, but stick to your bubble. Stay safe and stay well. And if you need any advice, contact Healthline on 0800 358 5453. Malo.
It's okay to ask for help. As we work through this together, there are people and agencies who are able to support you. A list of support services is now available on the Unite Against COVID-19 website. Here's a range of advice, help or support listed in the welfare card if you need it. In an emergency, call 111 for fire and emergency, police, ambulance or civil defence. For temporary accommodation, contact the Temporary Accommodation Services if you urgently need a place to stay. Call them on 0508 754 163. For renting and tenancy advice, contact Tenancy Services for information about your legal rights. Call 0800 836 262. For access to food or essential items, you can contact your Civil Defence Emergency Management Group to deliver essential items, including food, water, medication, fuel, clothing and bedding. For financial support, visit the Work and Income website for financial support for emergency and ongoing needs. You can apply for a main benefit online and check your eligibility for food assistance. Remember, if you don't speak English, you can ask for an interpreter when calling most government departments. Under Alert Level 3, some of you may have already started returning to work. WorkSafe is the government agency responsible for regulating health and safety in the workplace. Here are some key points from WorkSafe to help workers ensure they keep safe when returning to work during COVID-19. Number 1, make sure you understand your workplace COVID-19 safety plan. It will help to keep you and your colleagues healthy and safe at work. The business you work for needs to have a COVID-19 safety plan. All workers at your workplace should be involved in this plan so you can make suggestions and share information. As a worker, you have a duty to follow the instructions in the COVID-19 safety plan, as well as for the risks you are normally exposed to in your work activities. Number 2, make sure you speak up if you see something that is not following your COVID-19 safety plan and you could potentially affect your health and safety. Number 3, the Health and Safety Work Act says you have the right to cease or refuse to work in activities that expose you to a serious risk. For example, not being provided with the appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE for the work activities you are doing. Finally, stay at home if you're sick as part of your COVID-19 safety plan, or contact the health line on 0800 358 5453. We want everyone to be healthy and safe at work, so follow your workplace COVID-19 safety plan and come home safely to your family. For more information, go to www.worksafe.govt.nz.
Talofa lava. Can I first give thanks to God for His love and guidance over all of us during this time. The police would like to thank all our Pacific leaders both at home and in the community for their leadership as we unite against COVID-19. We acknowledge all the good that this has created for our families who are doing things together like cooking, exercising and spending quality time with our children. As police, we're helping to ensure people and businesses are safe by complying with the COVID-19 restrictions. So don't be surprised or worried if we stop your vehicle to check your reason for travel, or if we visit businesses to ensure they have contactless procedures in place. We'll continue to educate and encourage everyone to follow the rules, but we can warn or arrest anyone who keeps breaking them or does something serious. If you're concerned that a person or business is breaching these restrictions, please report online at police.govt.nz/105support. Again, thank you for doing your part in reducing the spread of COVID-19. Together, we can do this. Stay safe, be kind to one another. Tō whā soifua.
Feeling worried, scared, angry, or not in control? Let's focus on what you can control. The first step is to stop and catch yourself by knowing the signs you are becoming angry. Notice changes in your body. Is your heart beating faster? Your feelings. Are you feeling annoyed? Your actions. Are you yelling and arguing with others? Your thoughts. Do you have thoughts of wanting to hurt someone? And changes in your spirituality. Are you avoiding prayer? When we know our warning signs, we can stop and not act it out in anger to others. Va's Catch Yourself program helps Pasifika families maintain respectful relationships, particularly during COVID-19 times. Tune in next week for the next tip from Va. Many people, including those in our Pacific communities, are going through tough times as a result of COVID-19. The Ministry of Social Development has paid out $10.5 billion in wage subsidies to support 1.69 million workers impacted by COVID-19. But some people may have lost their jobs or may be looking for work to support their families. This may be the case for some in our Pacific communities. The Ministry of Social Development is providing further support by delivering a new Keep New Zealand Working package. It includes a new online recruitment tool for job seekers across New Zealand and 35 new employment centres, along with other employment services initiatives, all of which are aimed at helping people connect with employers. If you or someone in your household are looking for work, check out the new online recruitment tool by going to workandincome.co.nz and search Keep New Zealand Working. From here, you can search for jobs or register, and after a few quick questions, you'll be matched with the jobs that fit your search. You'll be given a list of jobs that match you straight away, and you can ask to be notified by email as more opportunities open up. If you're unsure whether your experience is a good match for jobs you're interested in, don't worry, you can also get access for free online courses to help you upskill quickly. Again, to start using Work and Income's new online recruitment tool, go to workandincome.co.nz and type Keep New Zealand Working in the search bar at the top of the page. Look out for weekly catch-ups with our Pacific families.
The Makravas from the Rotuman community. The Tekanene Busawa representing the Kiribati community. Hei Hue Sisepi from our Niue community. The Tuitupos representing the Tongan community. The Raioti brothers from the Cook Islands community. Epirosa Marina Fepuliai from the Samoan community. Wanga Sokolalas representing the Fiji community. Pelasio Hunts representing our Tokelau community. And the Malangas from the Tuvalu community.
What are you making?
KFC.
Ooh.
And that's all for today. Mahalo apitomo mea mai, ka mo mea. See you next week.